Alright. Just put in some work out here. On that there. Pretty big branch. I don't know if we'll be able to cut it, but we're gonna give the old Craftsman Brushless a go ahead, see what happens.
Alright, Mike, how many trees have you cut down in your life?
I don't know. Alright, let's see what happens here.
Alright, this is Mike and his tiny little saw versus medium-sized tree. Has our hero failed to cut down the tree? As he blames the low battery. In a last-ditch effort, he cuts off small pieces of the tree. Those small branches are not helping him cut the larger trunk. This is merely for his own mental sanity while he catches his breath to take another crack at the big tree. So you just try to push it down. This man is not in his right mind. Wow. What's stopping it, buddy? There you go. All right, timber.
You come get a close up of this thickness of that.
I think what he's trying to say is get a close up of the stump. I think he's trying to age.
Check out the growth.
Wow, what's that blood?
This from the blade.
There it is, folks. Worked so hard that old Craftsman's bleeding on the stump.
Hell yeah, that Brushless. It's a DeWalt, man, I'm telling you.
Okay.
All right.
Proud of you.
Proud of you. Appreciate you, Jordan.